To those who don't know asthma is a chronic lung condition whereby the airway becomes inflamed and narrow, okay, making it very difficult in breathing. Now, symptoms include wheezing, there's this weird wheezing sound, okay, coughing, okay, shortness of breath, and so on, okay, and even the tightness of the chest. Science will not really tell what the cause of asthma is, but there are things like genetic factors, the environment one lives in, the lifestyle one puts up. Okay, so these are some things that could cause one to have asthmatic attack. Okay, now I'm not here to bore you with all of that. Now I'm here to talk about two things that asthmatic patients don't really look at or don't really put their mind to, but could be a cause of them being triggered to have asthmatic attack. Being someone who used to have constant asthmatic attack, okay, there were two things that were in place or that were triggering factors that I didn't really take notice of that were the cause of me having constant asthmatic attack. Okay, one is extreme emotion. So whenever I'm really happy, extremely sad, extremely angry, it triggers me to have asthmatic attack. Okay, and I don't really know what that was though, but yeah, so whenever I was extremely happy, extremely sad, extremely angry, showing just extremity of emotions, yeah, it causes me to have asthmatic attack. So two is food. So growing up, there were foods that I was eating, the whole family were eating it, okay, that were causing me to have constant asthmatic attacks that we didn't pay attention to, okay. So we are all about their allergens, which were dust, smoke, and all of that, okay. But we weren't paying attention to some of the foodstuffs we're eating that were causing me to have the constant asthmatic attacks, okay. So as asthmatic patients, you just have to take time, just whatever you eat, okay, or whenever you have any asthmatic attack, just check whatever you eat, okay. Just make sure you go through, okay, what did I eat today, okay, what did I do today that could be a cause of you having that asthmatic attack, then you stop it.